Namaskar students. In the previous video we have learned what is permutation and what is combination. I think we have already discussed the permutation is arrangement and combination is selection. Arrangement is permutation and selection is combination. Actually I have told already in the previous video that this topic is very important in calculating probabilities and in binomial theorem, application in binomial theorem, but not only in academics, not only in academics, but it is very vastly used in different competitive exams wherever reasoning required, be it IIT, be it in any higher class examinations like IAS, PCS, etc. It is very vastly used. So first of all, I am going to use here the fundamental concept of permutation. What are these? Two concepts are related to fundamental concepts of permutation. One is principle of addition and that is principle of multiplication. When we'll apply principle of addition? When objects are independent. When objects are independent. Such I am taking an example again. I am having 3 t-shirts and 2 shirts. Any 3 t-shirts means that we can put 3 t-shirts in 3 ways, either this or that or that, or also we can put 2 shirts in 2 ways. In this way 3 ways plus 2 ways, thereby it is independent. It is independent. When one t-shirt is put on, we are not going to put on any shirt or other t-shirt. So first t-shirt is independent to all. In this case we are going to add all these ways. But when one object is occurring in m ways, different ways, and other occurs in n different ways, but they are mutually dependent. They are mutually dependent. Like take another example, 2 shirts and 3 trousers. The shirts can't play the role of trousers, neither trouser can. So shirt can be followed by a trouser. So shirts, in how many ways we can put a shirt and a trouser, thereby word and is appearing. We say we have to apply here principle of multiplication. So we'll learn how to apply these different principles in forthcoming questions. Let's see how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming digits can be repeated. Number 2, digits cannot be repeated, or no digit can be repeated. Now let's see, when digits can be repeated, we have to frame here 3-digit numbers. So just get 3 places. Get 3 places. Now how many numbers are there in total? 5. So we can fill this 1's digit as in 5 ways, 10's digit in again 5 ways, and 100 digit again 5 ways. Means that to get 3-digit number, the first place can be filled in 5 ways, and another place can be filled in 5 ways, and another can also be filled in 5 ways. So and word is coming, we can apply here multiplication principle. So total numbers are 5 into 5 into 5, 125. This can be written in this way also. 1's place can be filled in 5 ways, and 10's place can be filled in 5 ways, and 100's place can be filled in 5 ways. Everywhere I am using the word and, therefore total numbers are 5 into 5 into 5, 125 numbers. Total numbers will be got to us mutually exchanging them, and on mutation of any digits we can get 125 numbers, because first place can be filled in 5 ways. Here 1 can be kept, or 2 can be kept, or 3 can be kept, or 4 can be kept, or 5 can be kept. Same for here also, 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. So 5 here, 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. So 5 ways here, and 5 ways here, and 5 ways here. So total principle of multiplication is to be applied, the total numbers will be 5 into 5 into 5. Let's come on the next. That is, again, no digit repeated. If digit is not repeated, again we would like to go little bit shortcut by this method only. It is way of writing to get marks in board exams, but in competitive we have to go short. So hereby again we have to arise 3 places. Let's see. First place can be filled in 5 ways. Means that 1 can be kept here, or 2 can be kept here, or 3 can be kept here, or 4 can be kept here, or 5 can be kept here. So this place can be filled in 5 ways. Now any number, which number is kept here can't be repeated. So this place can be filled in 4 ways only. And similarly this place can be filled in 3 ways. So total numbers are 5 into 4 into 3. That is 60. So in this way, when repetition is not allowed, we can get only 60 numbers. Let's take another example. How many 4-letter codes can be formed using 10 letters of English alphabet? So we have to suppose that there are only 10 letters of English alphabet available with us. Only 10 letters are there, and we have to create 4 letters code. So we have again arisen here 4 places. In this way, this place can be filled in 10 ways. So which one letter is appeared here will not be appearing here. So 9 ways only, because 1 letter is used. For the next one we have only 8 letters left which can be used, and the next we can have 7. So we can write, again I am speaking again and again, कि first place means leftmost place can be filled in 10 ways. A, B, C, D up to 10 letters. Which letter is used here? Only 1 letter will be used here. So still we have 9 letters left. One of them can be placed here. Still we have 8 letters left. One of them can be placed here. Still we have 7 letters left can be filled here. Okay, 9. Now total codes. Total codes are 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Now get it multiplied. Then this will become 10 into, I think 9 8 is 72 into 7, that is 7 to 14, and 7 7 is 49, 50. Total codes will be there 50 40, 5040 in total. I hope it is interesting and also clear. It's also clear. Now let's take another example. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be created using digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit is repeated? Each number goes to start with 67. It means 67 is fixed, means 6 and 7 are fixed. Okay, now we are going to create 5 places, 5 digits, because we have to create 5-digit numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5. Well clear. We have to fill the first place by one way only, because here it can be 6 only. So one way here 6 can come. Hereby again one way, because 7 can come only, nothing else. First and second places are now fixed. These are fixed. Now we have 10 digits 0 to 9. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 10 digits. Out of those 10 digits, these 2 digits are already used. Then how many digits can be kept here? Only 8. 1 kept here, 1 kept here. So there are 8 digits that can be filled at this place. Now one number also used here. So how many digits are still left? 7. So this can be filled in 7 ways, and this can be filled in 6 ways. Okay, the total numbers, phone numbers, are 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay, that is coming to be 336. Okay, 7 6 are 42, 42, and then 42 multiplied by 8, 8 2 is 16, and 8 4 is 32, and 1 carry over it, 36. In this way we will have 336 numbers in total that can be created by using digits 0 to 9, but first and second places are fixed with 6 and 7 respectively. Let's take another example. 3. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed using 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if two conditions are there: digit can be repeated or digit cannot be repeated. Both of them are to be discussed. First of all, we have to be focused on even word. Even number can be only when the last number is divisible by, last digit is divisible by even 2. If last digit is even, then the whole number becomes even. So I am going to discuss first one. Let's see. Again we have to create 3-digit numbers. So we'll again 3 places will be created. Now hereby we'll start from right. Though I think I have told you in the previous video even, we can start from right or left, it doesn't matter. But where condition is there, we have to start from there. Like in the previous question, 67 was leading number, so we had started from left only. We can't start from right. Hereby even number, even is depending on the last digit, so we'll start from rightmost. Okay. Now we'll see how many places, how many numbers can be filled at this place. So at this place either 2 can come, or 4 can come, or 6 can come. I am using word or. So how many ways we can fill it? 3 ways. Since the digits can be repeated, so this can be filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways. This can be again filled in 5 ways. So total numbers will be 5 into 5 into 3. 75. Total number will be got to be 75, which are even. Now the next, when repetition is not allowed, in this case again we'll create 3 positions. This can be filled again by 3 ways only. But one number, which one is able, which one is even used here, will not be used here. But total numbers are there only 5. So this can be filled in 4 ways. And again this can be filled in 3 ways, because now one used here and one used here. So 2 digits are used. Any 2 digits are used, then we have only 3 ways. In this way total numbers will be 3 into 4 into 3. 36. So total 36 numbers will be even. Total 36 numbers will be even if digits cannot be repeated. Let's take another example. 3. This is the question asked in IIT. License plate for vehicles in Delhi consists of 3 letters of English alphabet followed by 1, 2, 3 or 4 digits. The letter at the extreme left has to be D. For 1-digit number, 0 is not allowed. For others, letter or number can be repeated. Number should be significant. Actually, we have to think on 2 words here, which is very important to take in care. Followed by 1, 2, 3 or 4 digits. It is not written here. Followed by digits 1, 2, 3, 4. If digits 1, 2, 3, 4 were there, then we had to use only 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Hereby 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digits can be there. Just go to thinking. Digit number can be 1-digit number, means that just like DD, I am taking here D, P, 1. It can be a number, or D, P, 2, 1. This can be 2-digit number. DPP 3, 1, 5. This can be 3-digit number. DPP 3 1 4 5, that is 4 digit number. So in this way we have to read. Hereby so many numbers can be there, so many numbers can be there. Hereby again the concept of permutation is to be applied. So two things are to be thought on it. One is hereby digits, one digit number or two digit number or three digit number or four digit number. Another one is 0 is not allowed for one digit number because it is meaningless. DPP 0, it is meaningless. Again we are taking here 02. It is one digit number only. 02 means one digit number. So because 0 is extreme left in a whole number is meaningless. I am not saying here to go practically, because in different nameplates you have seen DL1P 004, that is another thing. But hereby we have to go mathematically. What the question demands we have to supply accordingly. Let's see. First of all, we are going to arrange the letters. So we are creating here three places. This one is fixed by one place. But hereby 26 numbers can be appear, 26 letters, A, B, C, D up to Z. Hereby again 26 letters can appear. So total ways for letters arrangement. That is equal to 1 into 26 into 26. That is 676. This is the total number of ways we can arrange 26 letters in different three places, where first place is already fixed with the letter D. So one way this can be filled. This can be, since letters or numbers can be repeated, so this place can be filled in 26 ways, and again it can be filled in 26 ways. Following it, after this we have to create some numbers. Okay, let's see. Now I will need this to remove, but I am going to explain it in the start. Now, how many numbers can follow these all numbers? So one digit numbers, how many are there? One digit numbers, 9 only, because 0 is insignificant here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 numbers. Two digit numbers will be 90. How it is so? Let's see. For two digit numbers, we know the last number is 99. So we can apply here the concept of AP, arithmetic progression. So first number is 10. First smallest two digit number is 10. So we can have here A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to an. So A is 10 plus n minus 1 into D. D is again 1, that is 99. So n minus 1 is equal to 99 minus 10, that is 89. So n is equal to 89 plus 1, that is 90. So these are 90 numbers. 90 numbers are there which are two digit numbers. Means that three letters can be followed by 9 one digit numbers, plate created, or these three letters can be followed by 92 digit numbers, plates can be created. Also we can get three digit numbers following letters. So it can be three digit numbers, can be 900. In the same way we can calculate, because last number is 999 and the smallest number is 100. 99 minus 100, 999 minus 100, 899 plus 1, and minus 1 is equal to that plus 1, that is coming again 900. Four digit numbers are 9000. So total permutation for numbers or total ways of numbers. Again we have to apply some concept over here. I mean, these letters can be followed by 9 numbers, and these numbers can be followed by 90 numbers, and these numbers can be followed by 900 numbers, and these three letters, these numbers means 676 number of letters. So these can be followed by 900 ways, 9000 ways. So total number of ways are, which concept will be applied? Addition. So 9 plus 90 plus 900 plus 9000. That is 9999. So total number of ways in which the letters can be arranged is numbers can be arranged is 9999. Also total numbers by which letters can be arranged is 676. Okay, now these numbers are followed by this. So which concept to be applied? Multiplication. I need to remove this. So total number of plates will be since number of letters are being followed by the digits, so multiplication concept is applied. 676 multiplied by 9999. You can multiply it, or if you want to use little bit brain to make the question easier, so apply her distributive law. 676 multiplied by 10,000 minus 1. So it will become 676 and then 4 zeros over here minus 676. Just 677 is distributed on these both. So get it done. 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 9 minus 6, that is 3. 9 minus nothing is there, 9 only, and it is 5. 6759324. This is the total number of the permutations we can apply for getting 3 letters followed by 1 digit number or 2 digit number or 3 digit number or 4 digit numbers. Total permutation is this only, 67,59,324 in total. Okay, so I think this is understood to you people. It is very good question asked in IIT 3 years, I think 3 years or 2 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, but not a difficult. If you have gone through once, then you will be able to solve it easily. It is not difficult question. Again, I am saying you people to go with the basics of permutation and combination, because it is very important concept in mathematics, used so many where. So you must be strong at the basic point at this stage. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to get more videos coming on just with you coming on the threshold, then you should subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video.